Now, after a relatively stable trend in COVID-19 cases, India is again recording a rise in coronavirus infections dominated by the Omicron variant. A total of 58,000 new COVID-19 cases were reported in India in the last 24 hours, which is a 55% increase in cases in just one day. World Health Organization chief scientist says that the next 2 weeks are extremely crucial for India in its fight against the latest phase of COVID-19, as health systems could get overwhelmed in the country. Meanwhile, scientists from across the country are also voicing similar concerns. According to scientists from the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, the number of Omicron cases in India's west coast city Mumbai could peak in next 10 days, that is from January 6th to the 13th. The scientists further say that it will take a month for cases to come down, with peak in fatalities being witnessed in the first week of February. India has been witnessing an increase in the number of Omicron cases. It recorded a total of 1,400 cases on the 1st of January and 1,700 cases of the latest variant on the 3rd of January. Meanwhile, as of date, India has recorded a total of 2,135 cases of the Omicron variant. The number of COVID-19 cases in India has gone up by 6 times in just 9 days. On December 28, the country reported 9,000 cases, while on the 1st January, it reported 20,000 COVID-19 cases, which rose to 58,000 cases on the 5th of January. The maximum number of COVID-19 cases are reported in India's western state of Maharashtra, followed by India's eastern state of West Bengal and the country's national capital, New Delhi. The daily positivity rate in India stands at 4.18%. With the total number of 1.47 billion doses of vaccines administered. India recently commenced its vaccination drive for teens aged 15 to 18 years. Meanwhile, India's Union Health Ministry has issued revised guidelines for home isolation of mild and asymptomatic COVID-19 patients. In a statement released, the ministry said, and I'm quoting, patients under home isolation will stand discharged and end isolation after at least 7 days have passed from testing positive and no fever for 3 successive days, further emphasizing on how there is no need for retesting after the home isolation period is over. With COVID cases rising in the country, several states in India have imposed restrictions like night curfew. However, early data suggests that despite the high transmissibility of Omicron, the latest variant appears to be less severe than the previous variants. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.